Hi, first grade. All right, today we're going to do our directed draw. So today we're going to draw ourselves as marine biologists. And we're doing that because we're going to make that connection with science to reading. Since we've been talking all about helping the earth, you're going to think about ways you can help the earth. And we learned about marine biologists earlier this week and talked about how they helped in the ocean. So we're going to draw ourselves as a marine biologist, and then we'll write about a way we can help the earth. It does not have to be what marine biologists do, but really just anything you can do. So let's start with a piece of paper and a pencil. Now our paper should be hamburger, so notice it's going to be longer at the top and shorter on the sides, okay? Now, in our bottom left corner, we're going to draw the goggles for our marine biologist. To do that, we're going to go just like that. So I want you to draw goggles right around the same spot. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Next, someone has to be wearing the goggles, so you're going to make your face right around it. So notice that my goggles are right to the side of my face. You can't even see the side of my head. Next, our marine biologist needs to breathe under the water, so we're going to draw that snorkel. To draw the snorkel, we're just going to draw it coming out. Just like that. It's kind of like an L. Next, we want to draw a shirt. Now the shirt is just going to be the shape. Just going to go just like that, and that's our shirt. Next, you need some swim trunks to be under the water, so we'll draw some trunks. And now we have most of the body. Now we're missing some legs and feet, so that's going to be our next step. The legs are just going to be two little lines coming out. And then to swim underwater, usually marine biologists might use flippers to move a little bit faster. So we're going to draw a U, and then it's kind of up to you. You can do a flat line here, kind of like that, or I'm going to show you on the second foot. If you want to, you could kind of draw scalloped. It just kind of depends on how you want to draw them, okay? So you can pick. Next, our marine biologist is going to be down by the sand. So they're right at the bottom of the ocean floor. So we're going to draw that sand down there. You can add those details, seaweed or anything you want to draw at the bottom of the ocean. Our marine biologist found something. So you found something down there. So we're going to draw an arm just kind of reaching down to the ground. Next, our goggles are going to kind of have a little inside part. So we're just going to trace our goggles to make it so that there's two parts to it. And then inside, we obviously need some eyes. So we have some eyes. And then we have our mouth, obviously, going around our snorkel so that we can breathe. All right. Next, you get to pick your hair. So I have long hair, so I might draw a ponytail and give myself some hair. Now, you might do it a little differently. So if I were going to draw my hair, I might draw it in a ponytail behind me. Now, for my boys, you might have your goggles with your eyes, and then you might draw your hair just kind of right at the top. So you get to pick how you want to do that. Now, you can go ahead and add your details. You could add some fish down here, whatever you want to have down there. But go ahead and work on your directed draw. I want to see how creative you can get. And then after you finish your directed draw, I want you to write about something you can do, just like Wangari planted trees. What's something you can do? It shouldn't be exactly like Wangari, but think about something that you've done already or how you can help the earth in some way.